What is the difference between a sales funnel and a website, and why you do need both? Hi, I am Eric Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall.com, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. Today I will explain what is the difference between a sales funnel and a website and why you do need both. So let's start with a website. Your website is your address online. It's your company, it represents your brand, it gives the visitor all the information about your business, contact channels, products, investor relationship, and much more. Your website provides your first impression online. Your customers can see you as a small and broken company, or your customers can see you as the industry leader with a great infrastructure and stronger market presence. The price you will pay is the same to keep a poor website or an amazing website online. So this is your first step. You need an amazing website and period. But your website is not exactly the best way for you to make sales or capture leads. For this, a sales funnel would be better. A sales funnel is actually a sales strategy that intends to bring the right customer to the right page with the right need for a solution you have. A sales funnel is a sophisticated and automated process where you have 100% control of everything that's happening. You can track customers, understand behavior, find exactly how much you are paying for a customer, and so create a perfect sales machine. But in order to do that, you need much more than a website builder. You need a digital marketing platform. So for you to understand how a sales funnel works, better than keep talking, I will show you. I just created a demo funnel, so you can go through the whole process and see by yourself the real application of a sales funnel. It will take only 5 minutes for you to see the whole process, but these 5 minutes can change your business or marketing perception forever. Just click on the link in the description and I will see you on our demo funnel. Why do you need both, or why you do need both? Today I will explain what the difference between this. You can be seen, oh my god, or you can be seen, oh my god, we have to change that. People can see you as a small and broken company, or people can see you as the industry leader, huh? The price you will say, just click on the link on the description, just click the link on the description.